Namaste. Today we learn chapter number 2, solution, and unit is ideal and non-ideal solution. Now we learn ideal and non-ideal solution in this manner. Here point of difference is covered and you can write short note by writing one by one the points. So try to understand the difference and some additional points. In ideal solution, the ideal solution obeys Rolle's law. You know very well Rolle's law. What is Rolle's law? In Rolle's law, the vapor pressure of solvent is equal to the vapor pressure of that pure solvent and its mole fraction, which you learned in the previous period. So, ideal solution obeys Rolle's law. And in non-ideal solution, these solutions do not obey Rolle's law. Exactly opposite. Second point, in ideal solution, solute-solute, solvent-solvent and solute-solvent molecular interactions comparable. What is its meaning? You know very well, in solution there are two parts, solute and solvent. The smaller part is called solute and the larger part is called solvent. For example, sugar and water solution. Water is in larger amount, therefore it is solvent, and sugar in smaller amount, therefore it is solute. And there are some interactions between the solute-solvent, solute-solute and solvent-solvent. So what is our point? In ideal solution, solute-solute, solvent-solvent and solute-solvent molecular interactions are comparable, means they are near about same. Here in non-ideal solution, the solute-solvent attractions are weaker. Remember, solute and solvent attractions are weaker or stronger than the solute-solute and solvent-solvent interaction. Third point, vapor pressure of ideal solution lies between vapor pressure of pure components. Means the vapor pressure of ideal solution. Solution means combination of solid plus solvent is always lies between the vapor pressure of the pure components from which it is prepared. In this case, vapor pressure of this solution is higher or lower than the pure component. Then fourth point of difference, no deviation from Rolle's law. Means what is ideal solution? Ideal solution is that which obeys Rolle's law. So no deviation from the Rolle's law. Here fourth point, positive or negative deviation from the Rolle's law. Now these are the 4 points of differences which can be asked for 2 marks. In ideal solution, some additional points are there. Fifth point, no heat evolved or absorbed with delta H mixture is equal to 0. When ideal solution is prepared, two solvents are mixed. Delta H is 0. Sixth point, delta V is again 0 as no volume change when two ideal solution mix. When the two solvents are mixed, the total volume remains the same. There is no change. These are the different point of differences and some additional points for ideal and non-ideal solution. Now we learn the next part, positive deviation from Rolle's law and negative deviation from Rolle's law. And with the help of this graph, you can understand easily what is the positive deviation. Means if the graph having upper bulging portion, it is positive deviation, and when graph shows lower curve, it is the negative deviation. First we try to understand the positive deviation from Rolle's law. The solution in which solute-solvent intermolecular attractions are weaker. Which attractions? Solute and solvent. Because any solution having two parts, solute and solvent. This solute-solvent interaction, molecular interactions are weaker than the solute-solute and solvent-solvent molecular interaction. It exhibits positive deviation. You have to remember only what? Weaker. If weaker attraction of solute-solvent, then the solute-solute and solvent-solvent molecular attraction, then you will observe positive deviation. You can observe here positive deviation, here positive deviation, positive deviation. Then the normal graph. This normal graph is observed in the ideal solution. Okay. Now let us see, when vapor pressure is plotted against mole fraction, what happens? Mole fraction x1 here 0, here x1 equal to 1 and a positive deviation, then this normal line. You will observe the positive deviation. Here for second solvent, positive deviation. And vapor pressure of the solution is again showing the positive deviation. The same sentence you are going to write here. Only in place of weaker you are writing stronger. And the graph is exactly inverse of the positive deviation. Here negative deviation is observed. ये lower line आप देख सकते हैं. ये lower line क्या दिखाती है? Negative deviation. और positive deviation में क्या दिखता है? ऊपर bulging line दिखती है. Here you can observe x1 0, x1 1. Here negative deviation is observed. Here negative deviation is observed. And here also for vapor pressure of the solution, negative deviation is observed. You are writing like this. The solution is in which solute-solvent intermolecular attraction stronger than solute-solute and solvent-solvent molecular interaction, which exhibits negative deviation, and the vapor pressure lower than the pure component. Here you can observe the vapor pressure is lower than the pure component. This is the pure component vapor pressure. And here negative deviation, after mixing you are observing the negative deviation. Example, solution of phenol and aniline. And here for positive deviation, what is the example? Solution of ethanol and acetone. So this is very simple topic, and this is very important as far as examination is concerned. Thank you.